आदाब नाजरीन, JKLE न्यूज़ में आपका खैर मकदम है। आइए नजर डालते हैं आज की खास खबर पर।
And for this, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji took a great step by launching Swachh Bharat mission, which is national-wide campaign in India, which aims to clean up streets.
School gave me the opportunity to discuss this topic with you. The Clean India Drive. The Prime Minister Modi, when started the Clean India Drive, called 9 people, 9 personalities of India, and told them that there are other 9 personalities about this campaign, and they tell the other 9 and so on, so that every person in India gets connected to this campaign. Thank you.
Should not pollute environment. So what you do at your home daily basis, the things which you try to shun, which you try to shrug off, which you try to give off, which you think that they can pollute the environment. Would you like to mention those things?
Sir, my day is like a normal day of any other person, like brushing and things. But you said that I have to mention things that I help to clean the environment.
Yeah.
Sir, nothing special, just the normal things like if ate something, the wrapper in the dustbin and things like that. Small things.
Okay, wrappers, you use dustbins. Anything else?
Sir, recycling.
Do you talk to parents? As far as the gandhi travel, we should use dustbins. Do you talk to parents or not?